Contraction.
Oh.
Well, it is steep. It's you just can't see, and Trevor's excavating, so we can't get a better look.
See the flippers like that?
Let me dropping. So, I've removed. So this, she's a pretty decently sized one. This is one of the bigger ones that I've seen out here. Recently, I'd say she's probably in excess of 300 pounds. Probably about high twos, maybe. Yeah, high twos at least. You can see she's got some barnacles growing on the back here. That's usually where, on loggerheads, where the barnacles will collect. To get that turbulent flow coming off the back of the shell, otherwise barnacles to flip here.
When she drops a bunch of eggs, watch her flippers, her back flippers will kind of curl up.
But because of labor, the cloaca actually prolapses somewhat to allow this process to occur. So if you see them in the wild, you'll see their tail, but it'll be a much more streamlined tail. This is all part of labor as that gets engorged, fills up and extends down.
I wish I could see her head.
Okay, now just so you guys know, in about 5 minutes she's going to start throwing sand like crazy, and you're definitely not going to want to be sitting there anymore.
We're going to want everybody to move off to the
I'm
side.
excited to see that.
As she turns to go back to the water, we're going to stay behind her. Not next to her, not in front of her, behind her. So we don't distract her and cause her to change direction, okay? But we're checking to see if she has flipper tags.
Catch your breath. Just sprint again, then stop and catch your breath.
Are we going to be able to see that?
As long as you stay here, you'll be able to see it. Are you leaving anytime soon? Are you sure?
Not on that flipper anyway.
Alright. What's she feeling?
I was seeing if she had any scars from flipper tags.
No, I'm just saying that what's she feeling?
She's kind of leathery. Like a lizard.
Exactly.
You ever touched a lizard?
It looks like
A snake?
she's going to turn right.
Once I did, but I forgot.
An elephant?
Lean right. We'll see.
Oh!
It's kind of leathery skin. Like your belt. Like a leather belt or sort of like that. But she's got these little scales, so, and she's all sandy.
Does anyone want to confirm or refute that, David?
What's that?
First trimester, sex is determined, is that right? You're going to break it in trimesters?
Middle third.
Third?
Middle third of the trimester.
Okay.
I mean, of the incubation period. It's not really a trimester.
What did she say? Middle of the third. So
The middle third of the incubation. So if it's 60 days.
Oh, middle third.
Sometimes it's 55 days.